Hi there, welcome to Excel 60. Quick Microsoft Excel tips and tricks in 60 seconds or less. Okay, so today we're going to look at the find replace function, okay? And we just got this large spreadsheet here. And so what we want to do is that there can be instances where you got a very large table or a database and you're looking for particular information. You don't want to have to scroll through and just check, but you should be able to find the information using the find replace function. And you can also make a few changes right there. Okay. So somewhere on this spreadsheet, there's a guy called Stephen Mann. I need to find him. So I'm going to press Control F, right? And I'll type his last name, Mann, and say find next. And it has got him right there. That's where he is. Okay, so that's how you use the find function. And also there may be situations whereby you need to replace certain text. Like take for example, we've got Central City Junior. If I got the name wrong, it's supposed to be Central City Junior High. I won't have to go to each and every school entry to change that. What I'm going to do is I just highlight, click across, Control C, Control F, and then Control V to paste. Then I tell it to replace with Junior High, and I click there, replace all. Click. It says all done. We made 16 replacements. And there you have it, the find replace function. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. If you would like to learn more Excel tips and tricks, do visit our website, excelskills.com. That's skills with a Z. Do look out for our next video coming soon.